Welcome to part 2 of our visit to Offset Autohaus. So we're here a few weeks later than our last one. The weather is a lot better, it's cold but it's dry. And we're going to have a look around. Last time we were here, the place was kind of in the early stages, close to completion. We were getting an idea of the kind of build up, what it was going to look like, but now it's more or less complete. They've actually opened to the public this weekend, just for 2 days, to let people come into their shop. And Jordan's going to give us a tour of the virtually complete place. So let's have a look inside. Jordan!
Hello!
Say his name when he appears.
Welcome again.
Thank you.
Who's coming in?
We're excited to be back.
Coming in.
See the place.
Small change since last time.
Small changes.
We have carpet.
Yes.
We have more painted walls.
More lights.
Yeah, we have pictures, but we'll do them when we go round. We'll just keep them.
Oh,
sorry, look.
Yeah, the
black doors. This one works. I think the last time you were here, this one didn't work. But this one works. I also now have a new carry windscreen, which these cost me a carry windscreen for. The carry that is a project is back on the road, but forget about that, come on in.
Enough about carries.
We have another modern car on the ramp. Don't know whose it is.
It's that 220D.
Just General Punter came in off the road.
Boring 2 series.
What? Yeah. But while we're here, before we go any further, just like to point something out. Did anyone know you can confuse inner arch trims?
Interesting fact.
Look at that. M2 left.
In case you're not sure what car you're under.
I'm pretty sure we can get them on the other side.
Yeah, or what side of the car you're under.
But anyway, workshop, probably
floor.
some more painting.
Yeah.
Look at our floor. Grey, black, tiled.
Monochrome vibes.
Yep, favourite colours, black and grey. Our floor was actually fitted by Garage Fit. Good friend, done us a solid deal.
Good little plug there.
Yeah, plug. I don't know if you want to put a link. I done this the last time I got it wrong. It was,
You need some kind of affiliate, like.
Yeah. Few new lights. Our woodroom's nearly done. Just got to cut in a few bits and bobs.
Some cameras up here, I see.
Yeah, so full CCTV system. We can keep in contact with everyone inside and outside.
Where am I?
You're right here.
Well, wait, I need to face.
Can't tell you that.
Oh, there it is.
So our storage. Oh, check this out.
Our fridge.
Our fridge.
Show us what's in your fridge, Jordan. Oh, doesn't work. Back to front.
Iron brew, cake, Coca-Cola.
Grey Goose, baby.
Work hard, play hard. This is only for Monday nights, Tuesday nights, Thursdays and Saturdays, so no drinking today, sorry, Sunday.
Not on the Sabbath.
Downstairs.
Looks like Jesus, drinks like Jesus too.
Whoa, I've cut the hair and everything. A fresh fade. Woodroom, trying to up our game since we started, so we've got some new tools, big saws, routers, pipe benders. We've kind of went a bit all out in this one, so anything that we need, we buy. Makes our job easier and it gives the customers a kind of a better experience because we can do what people want. But yeah, wicker paint still needing done, curtains, but we thought we'd open for a couple of days before lockdown.
Yeah. Lockdown part
64?
Yeah, something like that.
Coronavirus strain 8 we're on now because Greg's uploads, we're not getting to that one. No cuts.
Teamwork.
Upstairs, our wall of fame.
Some prints from Low
Motive, Ryan, good mate of ours. Knocked them out. We kind of hope to expand this all the way up and round, so if you get your car done by us, you get a nice wee spot on the wall. We have done more than 5 cars. There won't be any M2s because it's just a common man's cut Oh, sorry.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
There's space up here. We've got lights.
Yeah. It was dark here the last time.
Lights. I don't know if you can zoom in on our forged carbon walls. Yep. We went all out.
Yeah.
This year has been really good. Lockdown's provided really successful, so we went for forged carbon walls around the sides and up the top.
Lamborghini actually just have plywood on their cars. Chipboard.
It's not plywood, it's forged carbon.
Yeah, genuine.
And then we've got upstairs. So we have our Christmas tree.
Very nice. Never really been a fan of tinsel myself.
You've got to follow the trends, unfortunately.
That's it.
My big desk is now a bit more filled.
It's also black.
Black forged carbon.
again, yes.
We went for the raw, untreated carbon on the back wall.
Yeah, I've seen that. Lovely.
Do you want a sweet?
That just sounds like it's going to be noisy.
Um,
And
But-
a lot of this.
yeah, we'll go corner round. We have a lovely TV,
And
a nice set of 20-inch wheels for Bubbles' T5 because he now lives here.
heaviest wheels.
Got a cool coffee table supplied by Rotiform.
Yeah. Big old wheel.
And I don't think half of this was here last
I was going
time.
to say, I don't think it was.
We,
These weren't, I don't think.
were they not?
I
Oh
don't
yeah,
think all of
so
them, or they certainly weren't that well stocked.
so we've now got 90% of the Auto Finesse range in stock and online.
Tools.
Towels, products, ceramics, accessories, brushes.
All of it.
I think we had Maguire's last
You
time.
did.
Restocked.
Again, I don't think it was as full a stock because you got like there's a bunch there, and
Compounds.
then 2 full racks of it. Really.
We've still got a lot more to come. Christmas and COVID, we're still waiting on a lot of orders. We have race chips. These are available from us, so plug and play. Every car, make, model, manufacturer available.
Very nice.
A couple of wee bits on the wall.
Yeah, this wasn't.
Rieger stuff straight from Germany.
We did joke about your caddy parts being on the wall, but what is this for?
Yeah, that's a caddy.
It's just a caddy wing.
It's a
This was a joke we made the last time.
If you ever do go outside, the caddy does have one wide wing,
Okay,
and one standard
the other
wing.
one's here.
the other one's there.
Nice. What are we displaying?
Spigot rings,
All this bigger.
nuts, bolts, spacers. This wall will change by the time people come and visit it, but we've made it what we can with
I
what we've
think
got
it looks
just now.
quite nice. It looks like a well varied stock.
Oh,
I like this table.
yeah, look at this.
I like this.
Nice little display from the guys that keep it clean.
Oh.
Clothes is really nice, good quality. I think this was what?
350
Oh,
GSM.
geez, oh.
Yeah.
It's more than I've ever touched before.
All the
Oh,
GSMs.
jinx. Clothes cool, stickers cool. Guys, debatable, but we like their products.
Offended.
Sorry, I'm only kidding.
Personally.
Small air display. We have seamless tanks stuck in customs at the moment. We'll be stocking them on shelf. Still the usual management, compressors, struts come into order because we don't hold every
That's way too much to hold.
7,552 different struts.
Right.
Stock of Rotiform wheels.
Little wheel wall.
We've got a fuel wheel. We'll be supplying fuel wheels as well.
Nice. Because last time you didn't have them mounted like this. They were on.
Oh, wheel stands.
Wheel
Yeah,
stands.
we bought the wheel stands for a show that got cancelled this year. Cleanfest.
Clean fest. It
Um,
wasn't cancelled. It was
postponed.
postponed an entire year.
And a half, maybe
Yeah.
2. Clean Freaks. Mike, good guy, available in stock. Have most of their product range as well. Go try and stick on top of stuff and have everything in stock for everyone.
Nice.
And then introduced another range of Volvos. That'll be a nice fly there. They are based in Scotland, so we've got Scottish, Irish English and American. So we thought we would do something a bit,
Just
a bit quirky.
I don't even know what the word I'm looking for.
International
I was going to say
products.
intercontinental, which it probably
Well,
is
since
as
it's Brexit, we might as well get one of everything from everywhere. But I welcome to shop. We're here.
Intergalactic. It's very nice. It's looking really
Thanks.
good. I'm excited to see customers start coming in and things as well.
Yeah.
It's a shame that we're going to go into another lockdown, but it's exciting. We've got this weekend at least.
We opened 2 days before Big Nicola. Thanks, Nicola.
Yeah, makes a decision.
You're a star. Love you. Put us into full lockdown, but we're happy that we got 2 days and we've stayed within the safety regulations of COVID.
Well, that's it.
And I can't get to use my casting couch.
I don't know the legalities of that within COVID, to be honest. But,
face mask?
Face, yeah. Nah, it's looking really good.
Thanks very much.
We're excited. So yeah, we'll probably be back a third time, I guess, at some point, probably next year at this stage. But I guess any final touches, because like say you want to update more stuff on that wall, will probably be complete. And I guess if you guys have an open day, then we'll be here for that.
Perfect, yeah. Should change again, we're on step 2, ready to open, stage 3.
Yeah. And now you've got
tier 3, tier 3, tier 4.
Another whole lockdown to do even more work on it. So.
But we're still trading online, so if you need anything,
Absolutely.
you can order it online. And if you're here today, 2024, you can probably pick up the new line from Keep It Clean.
Yeah, or like
we'll
volume
have 30,
6.
Volume 6.1.
Yeah. In future, we are going to be keeping a small stock of our products here. So if there is something and you go on our website and you're local or you're going to be coming through this way or you just want to visit, then there's something you want to pick up in advance, you can actually order that via our website as you would normally. When you get to checkout, if the product's available here, it'll give you the option to select for collection, so you're not having to pay for postage, and you come and pick up from the guys here. That's it. That's our own little plug.
Come and see us.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you in 2021. Right back here.